you okay?
Hey, yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, sure.
Yo, Chris,
What's up?
come over here, man.
Yeah?
Come over here, bro. I think there's a fire pit over here.
Fair bit?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, it's a fire pit, bro. Come over here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Check it out, bro. Oh, shit. Stop slip.
Oh, man.
Bro, come check it out, bro. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
I got them more efficient.
Ari bozo good. We're gonna make fire here, right? All right. Okay.
This reminds me of back home.
I know, eh?
This reminds me of back home, bro. Ooh.
Yeah.
Chakwe sauni zese zoita. Ukamtaita.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, makes sense. Yes.
Tuzungeta marasi.
Yeah. I know, eh? Don't fry sadza, don't chicken. I know, eh? Yeah, cool, man. Right.
I remember like the other time, like the last time I had something like this
Yeah.
was in Edmonton. We had a bonfire.
Okay.
Yeah, just chilling with friends. Bonfire vibes. I think I still have took a snap of it.
Okay.
Oh, mato ichekelera. Oh, ndo chikelera.
Yeah.
This week, we went to. Yeah, but we don't wait.
Moto wabo manje.
So tell me. What do you put in these spices? Tell me your combinations.
Right. My spices are not going that store. You're not going to show.
Yes.
You're my Indian here.
Yeah.
So.
No, like so you like from Norton where I was. But I want to go lecture also.
Yeah, I know lecture.
Lecture on towards anakuwa wa hizi to like.
Okay.
Yeah. I've been there twice. So is it true that in Mutare, like whenever you get there, like on top of that hill, like pass.
Yeah.
Right? And you look down, because Christmas pass you can see the whole city.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
On top of you're on the Christmas pass, then you'll be looking down the city, right?
Yeah.
You see lights everywhere, right? But those tower lights, you know, like there's tower lights in the city.
Yeah.
Those told me that. I'm like, oh, really? Wow, that's good.
Yeah, they were faking you, bro.
But Mtare is different. Oh, Mtare, like Makomo, Chichichi.
Mtare just nice.
It's nice.
Or I can say
it's unique.
The whole of Manicaland. Because if you go to...
Vumba, Inyanga.
Yeah.
Chicken gavuni na kachitoita.
Situtoita.
Bit by bit. Yeah, how to eat.
Ndobita sigo. That moto you kunoko. It is.
Moto ndo what? Saka say. What happened afterwards?
Akango jamuko. Sagero rakango sarakango miraso. Iyo vangu jamuko vaendo vaendo miroko. Iru varapia.
These are pots. Yeah. Yes.
You see.
Keke.
My keke, bro.
I started language in use. So
I know, eh?
it's just like this guy. I'm view. Look at somebody play.
Yeah.
Right? And you look down, because Christmas past you can see the whole city.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So they say that if you look down there, like that city, you would see like all those tower lights would spell "Welcome to Mutare." Is it true?
I'm sorry, tomorrow sadza remsango.
Oatmeal.
Sadza remsango.